everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a video on this eyeliner and how I got it. So if you would like to know how to use the eyeliner that I use and the technique I use to do it, stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a how to do liner with a potted liner. I have a couple of personal friends on my Facebook who have this product or want to try it and don't really know how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I've already prepped my face, I've done my eyes, so I'm going to go in with the brush that I chose. This is an Eco Tools brush and it's an angled one. So I have the Mary Kay potted liner in jet black. This was actually an accidental purchase. I wanted black eyeliner, an eyeliner pencil. I just clicked the jet black because I thought that that was gonna be what I wanted. So basically, all you do is like you kind of like you would paint. It's kind of like a pot of paint. I've made sure my brush is clean, and I kind of like did a couple of light strokes to grab a little bit of product. And so now I'm just kind of lightly tugging on my eye and doing small strokes, kind of like I would with the regular pen and pencil liners. Just very small, light-handed strokes, and the product is very bold, so you don't really need a whole lot of product to start. Something that I love about this product is that it seems like it's waterproof. I don't know if it actually says that on like the product sheet. I'll write it down. I'll write it down in the description box below if it is. So okay, so here's what I'm doing is I am just kind of like lightly getting in there, and I'm not going to show you the brush just because it's not going to show the product very well. So again, I'm starting on my outer corner and doing light strokes very close to my waterline. When I get about halfway, I'm going to go into the inner corner and kind of just connect it. And once I've connected it, I'm going to drag as much product as I can from the outer corner. It also just takes practice. I can now say it's a lot like putting on false lashes. You have to be very meticulous, very light-handed. You have to take your time and practice, because this is one of those tricks that takes a little while to get. So I like using the angled brushes because you can make it as thick or thin as you want it to. Something else to note, the product works best when you have product on your lids. So like eyeshadow, I put a layer of primer and then 2 layers of a cream shadow. That was my skin tone. And that kind of just like set the base really well. So I wouldn't suggest putting this in your waterline just because it would irritate your under eyes, and we don't want that. So, alright, I'm gonna check real quick to see if they're even, which they're not. That's okay. So, you can always add more. You can't always, it's not easier to take it away, you know what I mean? So start out light, start out small, get the feel for it, and just kind of like work with it, because it's one of those products where it takes a lot of love. It really, really does. All right, that's good enough for me. I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna quit fiddling with it. I think that was actually witch hazel. Oops. Don't mind what I just said, it's okay. All right, so I'm actually gonna just go ahead and do my face on camera too while I've got you here. It's my same routine, same old, same old. All right. If you hear loud noises, it's because my kiddo is down here and I'm in the bathroom, so. All right, so I've already washed my face, did my whole skincare routine. If you wanna see one of those videos, let me know and I'll put one in there. Because I have the perfect routine for normal dry skin, at least I think, and it makes my makeup look flawless every time. So, let's see about moving you up. All right, I like that angle a lot better. All right, so I've primed my face already. Now I'm gonna go in with the under eye corrector and the concealer. So this is a Mary Kay one, as you can see, and I have just like a light one. I'm gonna be very light-handed with this. I'm just dotting it right underneath my eyes because I have like a very white under eye area and I am very red. So I'm kind of gonna like take it a few places. And then something I learned from Nikki Tutorials and Jeffree Star is you take a wet beauty blender and you just pat. I don't usually like to what's the word? I don't know. I don't really like how it looks when you do other things with it, so I'm getting as close to my lash line as possible because I want to have big doe eyes. Alright, I'm going to just spread that as far as it'll go, really, because I have a ton of red, and I use the tone corrector, and I use witch hazel, and the charcoal mask also gets rid of redness as well, so I use the charcoal mask. I'm doing like everything I can for my skin right now. Okay, we're gonna put that away for a second. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and because I have red everywhere, I'm just gonna streak it where I've got red. So I have red down here, and it dries down pretty quick, so I'm only gonna do one side at a time, just for the sake of looking good. Alright, and you gotta get below the jawline because you gotta make your makeup match. Alright. Alright, cool. I'm not gonna overlap the makeup just because it'll look not great. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side as well. Get where it's red. Okay, I'm not really worried about all like the freckles and that I have because I don't want to look too fake. I want to glow, but I don't want to look fake. Alright, so the damp beauty blender is like magic. I love it. Okay, so now it's time to set the face. So I'm going in with my Mary Kay Mineral Foundation Powder, and I have the shade 0.5. So I'm going to take some into the lid. I'm going to start out with a little bit, and then I'm going to use the damp beauty blender again. So what you can also do to set your under eyes is take a damp beauty blender and take your powder and just kind of like put that underneath your eyes, and that kind of like gives you a blurred, poreless finish, which I tried it. It actually is really good. Oh, you know what? I totally forgot to do mascara. That's okay. We'll set the face and then we'll do mascara. Taking some more, rub some on the beauty blender, and just stippling it. Stippling is how you're going to get the best complexion possible. So I would suggest doing that. Oh, I love how this looks. I'm gonna bring you close up here in a minute so you can see this. Oh, I love how this looks. This is like a makeup game changer for me. Alright, now I'm trying to also get into that crease area. Alright, time to do forehead. And if you didn't notice, I didn't really do anything with my forehead. That's because I don't have a lot of discoloration. I don't have acne, age spots, or anything up here. So all I do is I just prime the sucker and powder her up. And I end up not looking too bad, so. Alright. That does it. I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara and my contour bit, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and I did my contour and highlight. So yeah, this is the finished look. I just slapped on some Poppy Love semi-matte lipstick, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see, and I will do my best to put it out there. So I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.